It's the 10th of March, the birth anniversary of my brother-in-law Sushant Naik, a young and a budding photographer loved by one and all present here. Every year we gather here to mark this day, and I can see that Sushant Forever family is growing in numbers.
Since Sushant Forever mission came into existence, over the time, the role and functions of the mission underwent change. But one thing that remained constant was collective responsibility. In the beginning, it was a collective responsibility towards letting the world know about Sushant and his talent through exhibitions of the photographs clicked by him in shortest span of his professional life. Besides Goa, Sushant Forever showcased his work in Pune and Texas. Years ahead, giving a platform to young budding photography talents within the state became a collective responsibility. Sushant Forever organized a state-level photography competition for the budding photographers within the state, and later it was restricted to school level with sole aim of tapping a talent at a very young age. Besides first, second and third, there were 3 consolation prizes for the contest winners, and for the last 2 years, a rolling trophy has been given to the winning school.
I would like to tell I'm representing here with as a director of transports. I'm assistant director of transport. We have announced this thing. We gave the victims some schemes is there. Those who are having met in accident and they could get the injuries. Our transport department gives them the some sort of amount of this thing. As per our director of transport, we have taken the initiative for the violators for suspending the driving license under lease. We have booked the cases in the police department and submitted was the suspension of driving license. For the last year, we have thousands of licenses we have suspended, and 2018 we have suspended around about 4,000 licenses. Maximum of this license are suspended of those who are violating the driving on mobiles.
Good morning to all of you. I have my respected colleagues, Sir Prahlad, who's been Assistant Director of Transport, whom we are coordinating with on day-to-day basis. We have my friend Roland Martins, who is very active and very professional, and he is really the watchdog of Goa. And I have my friend who's an advocate, and of course Sushant Naik brother. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. Thank you for making me feel that yes, Goa traffic is there with you, Goa police is there with you, and we showing a very good concern towards y'all. I have been on the roads for last few years of my traffic policing, but I have learned also a lot from public. Police cannot be on their own. Obviously, there is something called as community policing. We have to deliver together. We have to come on one single platform and deliver together. That is what I feel.
In the opening note, Sunil said that this is not a blame game, and this is the kind of a mutual thing that we are going to do, and sort of things he said. But I beg to differ with Sunil on that. If a young talent by name Sushant is not there with us today, unfortunately someone has to be blamed for it. So therefore, we today can't say that it's not a blame game. Yes, we cannot shift the blames on others. If anyone is required to be blamed for the situations on the road today, it is not my friend Brendan or my friend Prahlad or their departments. The one who is required to be blamed is ourselves. Are we all taking all that care and caution on the road so that because of my fault, one innocent life will not die on the road? Are we doing this? And if we are not doing this, then can we say that this is not a blame game? It is a blame game, my dear friends. Now, when we speak about legal aspects, one aspect is of compensation, but the compensation comes later. The part of compensation comes after the accident, after a loss of a life, or after some kind of a permanent or a temporary disability, that is the time when the issue of compensation comes. But there are so many things in law which are meant to prevent this. Compensation is an exceptional thing that will happen. If in an unwanted circumstances, if an accident happens, then we should think about the compensation. But the law is very, very, very clear on so many aspects that we are not supposed to drive in rash and negligent manner.